Welcome to Greenhill Residence at Section U10 Shah. This township is located next to Setia Alam and is only 5 minutes drive away from the Dash Highway exit. Presenting to you this beautiful semi with a huge backyard. Come check out this beautiful house. This house has a land area of 32 by 112, and due to the length of this house, you got plenty of land at the backyard where you can still do renovation or do private outdoor with your family in this area. If you are a fish lover, this house comes with a beautiful fish pond, and it also has a beautiful water features in this section. The house has already been equipped with 2 new auto gate, alarm system and CCTV installed at every corner in this house. As we step into the house, you will notice the ceiling is high, which is about 12 feet from the floor, making the house looks grand and big. The build-up of this house is about 3,600 square feet. It consists of 4+1 rooms and 5 bathrooms. This house comes with a solar heating panels which provides heated water to the kitchen and to all the bathrooms in this house. To those who love cooking, this kitchen section has already been extended and is so spacious after the extension. As you step onto the first floor, there are 2 master bedrooms with a balcony, and every room has a high ceiling which makes the house more cooler. This house is really value for money. Big land and a nice build-up. If you're looking to upgrade from a terrace house to a semi, then this house can be your dream home. Give me a call and I can't wait to show you this beautiful house.